So Flair is Australia's leading pay and benefits provider. And about 1 in 3 employees on board using Flair technology. And that could be through us directly or through some of our partners. And what we are striving to do is to create product solutions that really strive to make pay and benefits fair and equal for everyone. My name is Janine Fry and I'm VP of Customer at Flair. So we are going through a scale up at the moment, and what we are finding is that the way in which we're using Salesforce worked really well for us at the time. And what's changed for us is the fact that we needed to really ensure that our technology and our processes were really set up to scale. And that's really where we decided to bring Out in the Clouds in to help us. Yeah, so we had an extensive discovery session with Out in the Clouds, who really took the time to understand our business, understand where we're going, understanding our challenges across multiple teams, and we had sales, marketing, customer experience involved. So really did an excellent job at understanding who we are, where we're trying to get to, and how to get us there. What I would say is that 2 things we care deeply about at Flair, and one is to make sure that our employees can come to work and do their best job, and ensuring that we have the right technology and tools to support them really goes a long way. So making sure that we've completely redone our Salesforce Instance has gone a long way from an employee experience and an employee happiness perspective. And the second one is that just accuracy of data. We've essentially piped in all of our information. It's flowing correctly from sales to marketing and marketing to sales and all the way down to customer. Yeah, it's great. A lot less frustration. A lot less frustration around not having accurate data, around information flowing accurately between our different systems and integrations. Really actually starting to use Salesforce in a much more meaningful way because there's a lot less hurdles to actual utilization. So it's been an excellent experience and one I'd highly recommend. Time was taken, attention to detail was excellent, really taking the time to learn who we are as a business and where we were going to, and making sure that we were provided with accurate and meaningful solutions to our problems in a way which is long-term and sustainable. And the team are absolutely fabulous. Very responsive, really great in providing context on the why, and would happily work with you guys any time of the week.